Hey everyone, are you hunting for the best Hostinger deal available right now? Stop searching because today I'm going to save you a serious amount of money. Let me get straight to the point. There are two ways to get a Hostinger discount. Option 1, use a coupon code and get 10% off. Option 2, use my exclusive partnership link from the description and get 20% off. That's double the discount instantly. The choice is obvious. Now here's where most people make a costly mistake. They buy hosting for just 1 year. Let me show you why that's a bad idea with real numbers. I purchased business web hosting for 1 year at $41. My renewal? Around $95. But when I switched to the 48-month plan, I paid just $108 for the entire 4 years. That's a saving of hundreds of dollars just by choosing a longer plan. So, the golden rule is simple. Go with the maximum duration for maximum savings. On top of that, the 48-month plan includes a free domain and 3 extra months, completely free. Here's exactly what to do right now. Click the link in the description or comment section. Links are available for every country in your local language and currency. You'll land directly on Hostinger's website. Choose your plan, whether it's web hosting, VPS, cloud, or website builder, and make sure you're signing up with a fresh email address not previously registered on Hostinger. The currency shown in this video is in dollars, but don't worry, once you click your country-specific link, everything will appear in your local currency automatically. That's it. Simple, fast, and maximum savings. Click the link now and enjoy your Hostinger discount. Happy hosting!